guys, so this is supposed to be a rough representation of the house next to Gabby's. Gabby's house would be over here to the right, and Park Street would be in the front here. This would be the front of the house and the back of the house. So on the north side, or towards the front, we would have a living room, master bedroom, 2 walk-in closets, guest bedroom, bathroom, laundry area, pantry, storage, kitchen, dining room, living room. The cool thing about this program is in this view we're able to actually see the dimensions. So this is going to be a 20 by 38 foot house that gives us 714 square feet. Can go into a 3D view that allows us to kind of get a better feel for things. So again, the previous beds and rooms and so forth and so on, so this kind of just gives us a better idea or feel. But the really cool thing about it is we can actually kind of come down, kind of walk through the virtual house. So these ceilings are going to be 8 feet high right now. This door is 36 inches wide with 2 windows and then some window covers. I got a couch, got a TV. This would be a living room. Of course, you know, there could be more couches, there could potentially more things here, but this is just a very crude representation. This would be the dining area, kitchen, fridge, laundry room, washer and dryer. It could be storage here for pantry, food, what have you. This is a back door to the backyard. You can come out here and yell at Gabby or say something to Carla and Charlie, Luis, Cruz. You could go check out an RV over this way somewhere, and then Nina will probably be barking at you from over here. So go back inside because Nina's barking too loud. And go back in here, go into the bathroom. Apparently we already have this tub, or a tub, and you got toilet, kitchen, or excuse me, this is not the kitchen, this is not where I cook my food, bathroom sink. And then of course this is the only correct way to put your toilet paper. That's gonna have to stay that way. So we go back up here. This would be the guest bedroom or normal bedroom that doesn't have a whole lot of room. The main reason is these walk-in closets take up almost I think it was like came out to an extra 20 square feet. But this is a walk-in closet, and a closet would probably go right in here. And then we would have the master bedroom, very similar but larger by I think roughly about 50 to 100 square feet. And then this walk-in closet is actually the same size as the one over here. So these are actually the same. They are equal in that regard, but that's what we've got for now. Thanks guys, let us know what you think.